You heard that?
You're standing here right beside me. What did I hear?
Oh, I couldn't hold it.
Well, you need to go to the bathroom, man.
Where's the bathroom?
Over there. Okay. Get out of here.
I didn't see you there.
Going up.
They have to be still.
That's rude. Hey, rude, dude.
You ever do that in my face again, we're gonna have an issue.
I need the
Got it?
I need the bathroom.
You know what? I don't appreciate it.
Where's the bathroom?
You know, dude, you need to stop your I'm right here, mother. You do that in my face again, we're gonna have a problem.
It's coming out.
You ever do that to me again, boy, we're gonna have a problem.
Sir.
No, this mother get his ass out of here.
I...
You up.
Oh, dear God. Two is just second floor. Two should be right.
Yeah, I can do better than that.
Bro, if it's one of these dudes, bro, I love it. I love these videos so much. I love these videos so much. Hey, put us in the video.
I know you're kidding me, right? This is not for real.
I think it fell out.
What the hell? What's that noise? Oh my God.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I think it came out.
Uh-oh, you got a problem?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Sir, where's the bathroom?
In my mouth?